shit. Damn. This place is really wild. Made it to the park, guys. Seeing turtles and shit. First trip out. Look at this guy though. Oh my goodness. He tucking in and shit. Thank God they slow. I know he can't get me. Only reason I'm this close. Look at this guy. He gonna go straight in the water. He came and got some scrubs. And he gonna go straight back to the water, guys. Let's be quiet. We're on Crocodile Gundy. Holy moly. This is nature at its best, yo. What is that over there? Is that a fucking snake? What's going on? What's going on here? We really into nature? Hey, back up. Better back up. But alright, little turtle. Turtle, do your thing. I'm out this bitch. This is dope, man. We sliding. KP Mini. They call this bad boy. I like it. Sliding in traffic. Even though it's wet out, being safe as I possibly can.